welcome back, guys. As promised, I'm here to show you guys the video of me cooking my fish. Sorry if the thing's a bit wobbly, but yeah, I have ready seasoned my fish for about 2 hours now, and I'm gonna fry off the pot. The pot is, I don't know why I can't talk today. The pot is hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and dust it in some flour, and then I'm gonna fry this baby off because I'm getting hungry. The rice is already done because my kids needed the food, so I fed them earlier. So now this food is just for me and my weight gain journey. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cook fried cod, and I'm gonna do some, I might do couscous or just eat the rice that I've got already. I do not have any vegetables to boil. I don't have any other fresh salads. Right now the house is empty, so I'm just gonna use the sweet corn rice I have or the seasoned couscous that I've got, and it's so nice. So yeah, let's jump into it. Guys, welcome. I'm cooking some fried cod today. So I've got about 5 little pieces of cod, and I've seasoned it. I've got some oil hot in the pan, and I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, what I do, how I fry it, Caribbean style. Now I'm just gonna dust it with some flour, just normal plain flour, and then I'm gonna just fry it off in the oil. But yeah, this is just a little tip or a little video for anybody that wants to eat more fish, pescatarian kind of foods, and you're on this weight gain journey with me. So let's go ahead and jump right into the cooking. So I got a pot. It's like a wok, but I don't really use it to stir fry anymore because it's getting damaged, so I just try food in it. So I'm only going to put one, and I'm frying just one without flour on, just to show you guys the difference with flour and with flour. So that's the first one. Just going to fry that off for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to take it out and show you what it looks like. When I'm going to dust my fish or chicken, I just lightly put it on some flour. You can season the flour if you want, but this fish is so seasoned, I don't need any more salt. I don't need any more seasoning. So I lightly dust it like that. Then you shake off any excess. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Just get it dusted around the corners as well. You can pat that in gently if you want. There's no special way to coat dust flour on your fish or chicken, whatever. As I said, I'm going to eat more fishes, so I wanted to fry it off today because cod tastes nice fried to me. And you know, in England they like fish and chips. So that's going straight into the wok. This is what the fish looks like. I've turned it already. That's what it looks like without any flour on it. Just looks normally fried. Hi guys, this is the fish without the flour on. This is how it looks. It's nice and golden brown. You don't have to fry it all the way brown like mine, but yeah, this is how I like it. This is the fish with flour on, and I'm just frying this off very quickly. I love how it looks already, just giving it a bit more brown color. This is both of them all finished, so I'm just comparing, showing you guys the difference with flour and no flour. It's all up to you, but I'm gonna fry the rest off, and then I'm going to make a quick gravy to go with it and serve it with some rice and sweet corn. And I hope you guys like this kind of recipes because I've got lots more coming, so comment below if you want the recipe for this fried cod. Now I'm going to use the remaining flour, and I've cut up spring onions and sweet peppers, and I'm just going to dust a little bit of flour and the remaining seasoning to create a gravy for this fish. All I did was mix it all together in the same pan that I fried the fish in. I just threw the oil off, and then I'm just going to mix all of that together with a little bit of warm water, get it nice and diluted, making my little roux gravy right now. Then I'm going to let that boil off and leave it for 10 minutes, and then I apply some gravy granules. This is the gravy granules I'll be using, and it's just a plain gravy granules. Just use about a tablespoon or half of that, and I'll mix it all together. Then I'm going to add a little bit more water a little bit of browning, which is a Jamaican gravy maker. It just gives a little bit of color. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup, and then that will be it, guys. It looks and tastes yummy. Trust me, the house is smelling so good right now. And this is the finished product. I'm just gonna add the gravy over it. My husband loves a lot of gravy, so yeah, this is the finished product. The gravy looks nice. It's thick and yummy. You can make it a little bit runny if you want to, but the consistency of it goes well with the fish. And yeah, this is a finished product, guys. I'm gonna do a taste test now, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.